Greetings, YouTube followers. What little we have here, we don't have many, but anyway, today we have an interesting teardown video. We have a Symon Netlite 2 digital signage. Okay, so we're going to do a quick teardown. This is what we have: Symon Netlite 2 32 by 192. So we've cracked open. Let me show you what the front looks like. Looks like this: 32 by 192 LED matrix. So we cracked it open already. Let's show you what's inside of it. Give you a grand tour. So what we have here is a Sharp ARM processor. You can see it. It's an LH7A400. So that's the art of it. So we do have a couple of ports on the bottom. Got a serial port, got a network, got a USB, and a sound port. And so this is the circuit board here. Taking it out, we got a PCM CIA slot up here. This is some sort of ARM board. Could be running Windows NT, could be running Windows CE. So we'll get you a closer look. ARM, this is a Sharp ARM processor right here. L7A400. We've got some memory here. We've got a FPGA and some flash memory here, Sharp flash memory. We've got a little lighted number here. So what we have here is, you can see the back of the board right here. Nothing on the other side except for this memory card. So I'm going to put that back in there. So we do have these connectors up here. These connectors go to the LED matrix on the other side. So we've got the LED matrices. Here's where one matrix ends and another begins, and they're chained together. So you got that. This thing down here, this is some sort of DC power circuit. So we got a DC to DC converter down here. This is the AC and DC power circuits down here. And you can see we got the power switch. Got some bits for the power supply units. So the border right here, this is the border between two LED matrices, and they're chained together. And they each have their own ID. You can see where these little dip switches are. Each one has its own ID. That's how they're strung together. So one thing that we could do is we could plug a serial cable into the bottom here and turn it on and give it a shot. Okay, so we're going to turn this on, hit the power button, and you can see some output from the serial port come through here. And that's what it looks like when it starts up. So if anybody knows how to hack this. So on the other side we've got this number here, 48. This is some sort of heartbeat. So what we have down here is also, we have a JTAG, 20-pin JTAG connector here. You can see that. It's marked JTAG. Standard JTAG for ARM processors. We've got another serial port right here. Oh, actually it's an IR port of some sort. And then we've got another port right here, another JTAG right here. And then these connectors on the side are the outputs for the matrix, LED matrix. We've got one on each side right here. And if you look at what's on the screen, it says Symon. That's what it says. So this is a working Symon Netlite 2. So the way to do this is to take your Cisco serial cable, connect it to a null modem adapter, plug it into your trip-light keyspan thingy, plug it into your serial port, set up your PuTTY. Your PuTTY needs to be the max speed serial PuTTY, which 115, 200, something like that. And then you'll get this. And so we'll hit the reset button. I've got to actually have a little reset button here. So we'll hit that. And you can watch it again. Okay, here we go. Okay, here it goes. Oh, we didn't hit it hard enough, apparently. So we're going to hit it, hold it down, away it goes. So apparently we're running Symon Netlite firmware. And yeah, that's what it looks like. If anybody knows how to crack into this, leave a comment. So that's the wide view of it right there. So that's your FPGA ARM board right there. So got some speakers up here. Got some signage here telling you what it is. It's a Symon, apparently obsolete product now. So anyway, that's all we have for today. Hopefully somebody can help us figure this out. Thanks, guys.